Everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about solarterm.com? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should shop from this store or to move on to some other legit store. So let's begin with our video and check out the detail. It is an online platform that offers a wide collection of house and outdoor furniture. The e-store is newly registered in the United States and offers expensive modern furniture at unrealistic price. Additionally, the store has a Christmas sale on it where customer can get multiple offers such as up to 75% off on entire collection and worldwide shipping free. Furthermore, the available items are hanging chairs, hammock, dining chairs, outdoor puff, wing with stand, etc. Let's check out the feature of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. It was registered on 29th November 2021. They have not shared their contact number, but physical address and email address is mentioned on the website. As far as email address is concerned, it is not matching the domain name and it can be a red alert. They are selling household and outdoor furniture. Shipping fee is not applicable, like you have free shipping worldwide. For shipping time, they need 10 to 15 days, and you're supposed to return and exchange a product within 5 days. They have not shared their refund policy. Multiple payment methods are accepted. They shared their social media links. The positive point of the website are the site contains a secured HTTPS connection. It has free worldwide shipping option. It provides massive discount under Christmas sale on its offering. Drawback of the website are there are no customer reviews published on authorized websites. The available social media icon does not contain any valid link on it. The website is recently verified. Customers are not allowed to buy more than 2 products. The complete contact details are also missing. So question is solarterm.com legit or a scam? As we are checking out all the important points to check out the legitimacy of this website, so let's do it in depth. It was created on 29th November 2021. We found no customer reviews on the website and it has short life expectancy date, like it will expire right after 1 year on 29th November 2022. The site has earned a poor rank of 14.3% and trust score is also horrible, that is 2%. It is unsuccessful to gain any Alexa ranking. The published social media links are not found working. The address is copied from some other website. As far as content is concerned, it is also plagiarized 100%. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us to check out the legitimacy of any online portal. So when we go through it, we found no customer review either on the website or on the internet. So in conclusion, we can say that as the website claims to offer modern furniture at affordable prices, but we cannot trust its offering yet as it has received many red flags. Moreover, the website holds an immediate user interface and products on it. Therefore, in these solarterm.com reviews, it is highly advised to stay away from such portal. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.